Hey everyone, I'm Pumpkin Petty, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining how to stream on TikTok as a VTuber using OBS, TikTok Studio, and the Atom Vertical plugin. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and check me out at twitch.tv/pumpkinpetty. I hope you enjoy. I find it easiest to stream to TikTok using OBS and the Atom Vertical plugin because I also multi-stream to YouTube and Twitch, so it's just simpler for me to have all my scenes in one place. To start off, you'll need to download the Atom Vertical plugin, which I've linked below, and you'll want to make sure OBS is closed when you do this. Once you've extracted the plugin, you can open a vertical dock and scene manager to add sources to your scene, like your game capture and your model. In order for your scene to be captured in TikTok Studio, you need to output a vertical camera by clicking the vertical virtual camera button, and then you'll see the stop virtual camera in the controls tab turn red. This means it worked. Once your scene is set up, you can open TikTok Studio, click Add Source, Camera, and select OBS Virtual Camera. Then choose whatever resolution and FPS you want to stream at. These are the settings I use. And now you're ready to stream on TikTok! This method isn't just limited to VTubers, as any streamer might find it easier to set up their vertical scene in OBS for multi-streaming or if they have a TikTok stream key. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or would like another VTuber related tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.